that for like rising female artists, especially considering like multi-talented like directions and pursuits? Because I know you do film and
Yes.
producing and all kinds.
I mean, it's a much better time now. You know, it's the best it's ever been in terms of the world being much more aware of trying to give equal opportunities to women in the business. And there have really been great strides in the last couple of years in terms of the studio's expectations of people to hire female directors on television, which is a big deal.
Yeah.
So the opportunities are really starting to present themselves. And I think, you know, whether you're a man or a woman, you have to be prepared. You know, you have to really dive into what you love and do everything you can to be as trained and prepared for opportunities for when they come. So I don't know that this is necessarily just female advice. It'd be like just advice in the business, which is just, you don't know when your break's going to happen, and you don't know when the opportunities are going to come. So you need to always be ready. You need to always be working on the projects that you believe in. You need to be writing your own things, creating your own things, figuring out what it is that you want to say. And so then when that opportunity is presented to you, you're not caught off guard, and then that opportunity passes you. You want to be ready, you know, and it's the people who really are like poised and ready that it might not happen tomorrow, it might happen in a year, it might happen in 2 years, but you have to be ready for when that happens. So that would be the advice I would give.
Absolutely. I feel like you have something else to say about that, like even being ready as an actor, like to take advantage of opportunities.
I think it's important, you know, it's a difficult business overall, full stop, to try and succeed in, and you know, you have to, for me, I think it's mostly about self-belief, and if you really feel like you've got something that you can offer, that you can bring, and that you feel passionate about, then it's important to focus on that, mostly when you're at your lowest, more so than
so
ever.
what are things you do when you're at your lowest?
Well, for me, when I used to be out of work, there were points where you sort of go, maybe this is the wrong career for me, maybe I need to stop. And now I've always been lucky that, you know, my wife and my family and stuff have always been very supportive. But you have to try and remember the reasons that you're doing it in the first place, and what it is that you love about your craft, whether it's acting or writing or whatever, because it happens to everybody. And sort of to try and you know, spur yourself on and remember that there is a reason you are doing it for the right reasons, if you are doing it for the right reasons.
Yeah,
but
right.
you know what I mean?
Fame, right?
For fame, yeah.
No.